1. What does Piaget's theory of cognitive development focus on? Stages of mental growth. 2. Who introduced the concept of learning by doing? John Dewey. 3. According to Bruner, what is the best way to teach children? Discovery learning. 4. The law of readiness is part of whose learning theory? Thorndike. 5. What does social learning theory emphasize? Learning through observation. 6. What is the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy? Evaluation. 7. What type of motivation comes from external rewards? Extrinsic motivation. 8. Who developed the hierarchy of needs? Maslow. 9. What is the main goal of behaviorist teaching methods? Reinforce correct responses. 10. According to Vygotsky, what plays a key role in cognitive development? Social interaction. 11. What is the main focus of problem-based learning? Solving real-world problems. 12. A good lesson plan includes objectives, activities, and assessments. 13. What is the purpose of scaffolding in teaching? Providing temporary support. 14. What is the main goal of differentiated instruction? Catering to diverse learners. 15. Reciprocal teaching is best for improving reading comprehension. 16. What is a key benefit of cooperative learning? Promotes teamwork. 17. A Socratic seminar is based on critical questioning. 18. Inquiry-based learning focuses on student exploration. 19. What is the best teaching strategy for kinesthetic learners? Hands-on activities. 20. Concept mapping helps students organize and connect ideas. 21. What is the main purpose of formative assessment? Improve learning during instruction. 23. A diagnostic test helps identify student learning difficulties. 25. What is criterion referenced assessment? Measuring against a fixed standard. 26. A norm reference test compares students to each other.
Thanks for watching.